Hi, welcome back to Valley News Live. We're taking a look at the Luther Family Ford Skycam, where we have another view of tonight's lovely sunset. And this weekend, this rooster in the tree was pretty cold, but we do have some warmer weather ahead of us. After yesterday's snow, we saw some south winds that have brought us some warmer weather, but that snow did bring us quite a bit of accumulation in some places in the Devil's Lake Basin. 12 miles to the northeast of the Devil's Lake, we saw 5.5 inches of snowfall for folks there. Devil's Lake itself saw 4.5, while mostly Minnesota saw just a few dustings here and there, though Sabin just above 3 inches there, and Sisseton down in South Dakota saw just under 4 inches of snow for folks down there. Here in Fargo, though, we're sitting right around that 0-degree mark right now. We're right there at 0. We've been alternating between about -1 and 1 over the past couple of hours, and that wind chill is still pretty chilly. -19 is what it feels like, and that wind blowing out of the south at 15 miles an hour is what is responsible for bringing us those warmer temperatures. Now, things are pretty quiet in our neck of the woods. We have some clouds streaming in, and out west in western North Dakota, we're starting to see some snow for folks out near Dickinson. And across the country, things are still pretty quiet. We have some rain showers up in the Pacific Northwest, and we have some snow as far south as Huntsville, Alabama, moving close to Birmingham. Some mixed precip for folks there, but closer to home, we're seeing those winds out of the south about 15 to 20 miles per hour, and that is what has warmed us up today. And those temperatures sitting above 0 for many folks, though a couple places are still sitting below 0, like Fergus Falls and Oaks, both at -4, Thief River Falls at -1, Jamestown at +4. Now those wind chills still chilly, still below 0 for everyone. Fergus Falls at -20, Detroit Lakes at -10, Bemidji and Baudette, though, are warm spots at -4 for their wind chills. Now overnight, we're going to see those temperatures continue to rise, at least after that midnight marker, and we're going to see some snow for folks north of Highway 2. Here we are at about 2 o'clock, 1:45, and that snow is going to make its way across the international border, all the way across the Highway 2 corridor, but should be out of here by morning. Here we are at 7:30, and we have plenty of south winds, again, warming us up, and temperatures across the area all above 0. That's nice to say. And by lunchtime, we're going to even see some places above freezing. But out west, out in North Dakota, we're going to see some fog. That's what this black or dark gray colors are. That's visibility. So that's pretty limited as we move throughout the day. Now, temperatures are going to be below freezing at that time at evening. Here we are at 6 o'clock. So some of that fog could turn into some freezing fog for on branches, on windshields, on some elevated surfaces like that. So be careful out there if you have to head out. Now, by around bedtime, we're going to see another round of snow move through the northern tier of counties. And tomorrow morning, temperatures all above 0. Tomorrow afternoon, temperatures close to freezing for a lot of folks. And this next week, that warm weather is going to continue with a couple rounds of snow on Wednesday, Thursday, as well as one next Monday.
Man, I don't know if it was because of the weather or if my heat stopped working, but we woke up on Christmas morning and it was like 60 degrees.
Gotta bundle up inside.
Yeah,
too.
In the place. So yeah. I'm looking forward to that warm up.
Yes.
Thanks, Jim. Coming up on Valley News Live at 5, how to cope with sorrow during the holidays.